ITECH IT8512G Plus Programmable DC Electronic Load Review. From basic load to lab control.
The bench was crowded, and my power supply kept failing only under real load. On paper, it looked stable. Under stress, it dipped and flickered. I once spent an entire afternoon chasing a phantom ripple issue that turned out to be poor load simulation. That frustration builds fast. Something felt missing. If you've debugged blind like that, you understand. When your load tool lacks precision, every measurement feels uncertain. You start doubting your design instead of your setup, and that quiet tension hums in the background. A colleague once delayed a prototype shipment because transient behavior looked unpredictable on a crude resistor bank. Deadlines slip, confidence drops. Still, you know the right instrument would restore control. Don't just pick any programmable DC electronic load. Make sure it has built-in high-bandwidth ripple measurement so you never experience hidden power noise surprises again. That insight led me to the ITECH IT8512G Plus programmable DC electronic load. It's rated for 0 to 150 volts, 0 to 30 amps, and 300 watts, covering most bench and R&D scenarios without feeling oversized. More importantly, it supports CC, CV, CR, CW, combined modes, and even CR LED, letting you simulate real operating conditions instead of static guesses. The built-in ripple measurement with bandwidth up to 300 kHz often removes the need for a separate oscilloscope setup for routine validation. Clean, direct, efficient. A hardware engineer I know nearly postponed a client demo when a supply behaved oddly under dynamic load, but using the IT8512G Plus transient mode and remote sensing, he identified the issue within an hour and corrected it. USB and LAN interfaces make automation straightforward, and features like battery discharge testing quietly expand its usefulness beyond simple PSU checks. It's not just a load, it's a controlled test environment, and long-term, that distinction matters. After months on the bench, the difference shows up in workflow. Tests that once required multiple instruments now run in tighter, repeatable sequences. An industry analyst noted that the IT8500G Plus series is specifically designed for high-precision ripple testing, and that focus is obvious when you compare clean readback resolution down to 0.1 millivolts and 0.1 milliamps on lower ranges. A lab technician told me it matches my calibrated meter almost exactly, which says more than marketing ever could. Some engineers worry about edge case CV behavior at very low currents, and that's fair. In rare scenarios near resolution limits, fine regulation can be challenging. But for the vast majority of PSU, charger, battery, and solar testing, it performs reliably and predictably. Protections like OVP, OCP, OPP, and OTP add peace of mind during unattended runs. I've also seen teams cascade multiple units for multi-channel racks, controlled over LAN without complex integration. Quietly powerful. As more labs modernize toward automated validation, instruments like this are becoming standard fixtures rather than optional upgrades. Would tighter, repeatable load testing improve your design confidence? If your goal is cleaner validation, safer battery discharge testing, and more confidence in every power design, the ITECH IT8512G Plus programmable DC electronic load is a thoughtful step forward. Many engineers are moving toward programmable loads with ripple measurement to simplify their benches and reduce guesswork. Results may vary depending on your application. Take a look at the link in the description or pinned comment. See how it fits your workflow and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.